Observe here fourth problem. In a previous video, you people are studied about the three problems under the Newton forward and backward. So this is the fourth problem. What we have, just see the statement of the problem. Given f of 40 is equals to 184, f of 50 204, f of 60 226, f of 70 250, f of 80 276, f of 90 304. Find here f of 38 and f of 85 using a suitable interpolation formula. So here also same case, they didn't mention here apply Newton forward or apply Newton backward. We have to analyze that one. So for that one, what they given here, f of 38, we have to find f of 38. This 38 is near to 40, then obviously this is near to x0, then we have to apply here Newton forward interpolation. And f of 85 means here x value is 85, therefore we have to apply here 85 is near to end value, that is xn, therefore we have to apply Newton backward interpolation formula. Just write down here, to find f of 38, that is x is equals to 38 is in the first half, hence we have to apply a Newton forward interpolation formula. In the next case, to find f of 85, that is x is equals to 85 is in the last half, then we have to apply a Newton's backward interpolation formula. Okay, therefore initially for this one construct a forward difference table. So I already constructed here xy. Observe here, don't construct a separately table for a forward and a backward. Okay, so construct only one table, but don't denote here delta or invert delta, right? Means just denote it as a first difference, second difference, third difference. Okay, so here xy, first difference, second difference, third difference. So write down the x values and y values. Okay, so for a forward difference, first two entries in the xy column are acts as a x0 y0. For a backward difference, last two entries acts as a xn yn. Okay, so first difference means 204 minus 84 20, 226 minus 204 28, 250 minus 226 24, 276 minus 250 26. Okay, and 22 minus 20, second difference means difference between the first differences, that gives here 22 minus 22, 24 minus 22 2, 26 minus 24 2, 28 minus 26 2. Then construct a third difference column. So that means difference between the second differences, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0. Okay, no need to construct a fourth, fifth, because all the third difference column entries are 0. Leave here only. Okay, then and denote here only x0 y0. For a forward difference, x0 y0, take x0 y0, initial entries as a x0 y1, delta y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0. And for a backward, we have to consider last entries as xn, yn, invert delta yn, invert delta square yn, invert delta cube yn. Okay, to find f of 38, x is equals to 38 here. So from forward interpolation formula, y is equals to f of x is equals to this one. So substitute here. Here only find r value. For a forward difference, r is found by using the formula x minus x0 divided by h. X means this one 38 minus x0 means 40, substitute here, divided by h means 10. Differences between the common difference between the x values or x interval, or it can also be called as a step size of the x interval, 80 minus 70 10, or 90 minus 80 10, 80 minus 70 10, 10, 70 minus 60 10. So common difference of the x entries are here 10. Therefore here h has a 10. 38 minus 40 divided by 10 gives minus 0.2. Therefore r value minus 0.2. Substitute here r value y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0. Okay, so substitute here y0 means 184, r means minus 0.2, delta y0 20, r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, minus 0.2, minus 0.2 minus 1 divided by 2, 2 factorial means 2 only, delta square y0 12, what we have 2, just substitute here. And no need to write down all these entries in the delta cube y0, because delta cube of y0 is 0, 0 into whole term is 0, therefore I written directly 0. Okay, then solve this whole term, you will get 180.24 as a value of f of 38. Then to find f of 85, next part is we have to find f of 85. 85 is near to end value, therefore we have to apply here Newton backward interpolation formula. So apply here that one, y is equals to f of x is equals to yn plus r invert delta yn plus r into r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial invert delta square yn plus r into r plus 1 r plus 2 divided by 3 factorial invert delta cube yn, where r is found by using the formula x minus xn divided by h. Okay, this is the formula for finding the r in a backward. Xn means end value, so what we have here 90 divided by 10. X means this one 85, not this x. For this value means for finding the f of 85, x is nothing but here 85. Substitute here 85 minus 90 divided by, step size is same for both the terms here. For forward and backward, h is the same, that is 10. So that gives a minus 0.5. Substitute here r value, yn means 304. Substitute here yn means 304, r means minus 0.5. Inverted delta yn, what it implies 28. Substitute here 28 minus 0.5, minus 0.5 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial means 2. Inverted delta square yn, what we have value here 2. Just substitute here, and invert delta cube yn, what we have here 0. 0 into this whole term means 0 only, therefore I written directly as a 0 here. Then solve this whole term by using a calci, then you will get f of 85, not 8.5, f of 85 as a 289.75. So this is our required